highest common factor, so what's the same? It's, well, they've both got 2s, they've both got 3s, and they've both got 5s. And I want the lower power, so 2 is less than 3, so I'll have 2 to the 2. 3 is less than 4, so I'll have 3 to the 3, and the 5s are just 5. It says give it as a product of prime factors, so I don't even have to work out what that is. Lowest common multiple, I need all the different factors, so 2, 3, 5 and 7, and this time I want to go for the highest power. So of 2 and 3, 3 is higher. Of 3 and 4, 4 is higher. They've both got a 5 and there's a 7. And again, I don't need to evaluate that. Simultaneous equations. So I need to multiply by the opposite amount to balance things up. So I've got 1 and 5. So when I multiply the top equation by 1, nothing happens. Multiply the bottom equation by 5. And then I do the top equation, subtract the bottom. So I've got -4 subtract +5. -4 subtract +5 is -9. 8 subtract 35 is -27. Opposite of multiply by -9 is divide by -9. Gives me an answer of 3. Then I take the top equation. I've got 5y subtract 4. X I now know is 3 equals 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Opposite of subtract 12 is add 12. So 5y equals 20. Opposite of multiply by 5 is divide by 5. So y equals 4. So I got an answer of x is 3 and y is 4. $85, there's 80, that's 90, so 85 is between the two of them. So 85 gives me an answer of 10 people. 115, well that's 110, so 115 is halfway between 110 and 120. That reads off as 80, and the gap between 10 and 80 is 70. The upper quartile, well I've got 100 people. 3/4 of 100 is 75. So I want the 75th person. There's 60, 70, 75 is halfway between 70 and 80. And my line comes out exactly at 110, but you might be slightly either side of that. The radius is 5, so if this side is 5, this side is also 5, so if this bit's 3, this part must be 2 centimetres. That gets you a mark. Now we're going to think about similar triangles. Because by the butterfly rule, butterfly or bow tie, whichever one you prefer, those are matching sides, so I'm trying to find this, and I know all of that now is 7. And this side matches with that side. So x over 7 equals 3 over 6. Inverse of divide by 7 is multiply by 7. 3 over 6 multiplied by 7 is 3.5. Right, they've told me about 2 volumes, so the volume ratio is 2,000 to 500, which simplifies to 8 to 1. Now 8 is 2 cubed and 1 is 1 cubed. So the height ratio is 2 to 1. I'm told the bigger one is 32, so I want to find out the smaller one. So to go from 2 to 32, I multiply by 16. 1 multiplied by 16 is 16.